Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you some kitchen utensils which are dangerous to your health. You should throw these products from your kitchen as they can cause diseases and harm your health. Now let us see what these products are. 1. Maori Chopsticks. The most commonly used chopsticks are bamboo chopsticks and wooden chopsticks. These chopsticks have natural texture, such as grooves on their surface, which provides grip for holding food and prevent food slippage. However, food residues can accumulate easily inside the grooves, and more will develop over time and breeds countless bacteria and germs. Some studies have found that many chopsticks used in households have excessive levels of Helicobacter pylori and aflatoxin. Helicobacter pylori and aflatoxin are recognized carcinogens which can cause cancer. Therefore, it is recommended that bamboo and wooden chopsticks should be replaced every 6 months. 2. Cracked cutting boards. Many people use wooden and plastic cutting boards at home and uses them for many years. Wooden cutting boards will have scratches and cracks on their surface after long use. These scratches and cracks accumulate food residues easily, and it is difficult to clean them thoroughly, making it easy to grow mold inside the cracks and scratches. It is recommended that you carefully brush and clean the wooden cutting board after each use, and then set it upright to let it dry completely. Meanwhile, most plastic items are made out of harmful, potentially cancerous chemicals like BPA or bisphenol A. When chopping foods on plastic cutting boards, the chopping board tends to chip off and leave knife cut marks. These chipped pieces can mix up with the food you have chopped, and then the food are used for cooking. Additional heat during cooking causes these harmful components to break down, and when we consume them, these harmful components can harm our health. The chemicals in plastic have been linked to adverse health effects like cancer, diabetes, obesity, infertility, and neurological problems. You should change your plastic chopping board once there are noticeable knife cut marks on its surface. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.